I decided to check on my carrots today, as I try and do every day, and I realized that there's a green layer on my soil. Initially I panicked because I've never seen this before, and then I touched the soil and I realized that it's very moist, very wet, and these past 2 days it has been raining continuously, and I think that the soil has just had too much rain to bear with, and it's started to create a green layer, which I have now found out as a new gardener myself that it's algae. And a green layer appears on soil when there's too much water in the soil, or if there's a poor drainage. Now with my actual pot, there are holes underneath, so I don't know if it's the drainage. I also use this this mesh as well to cover my carrots from intruders like flies, rodents and cats and so forth, and it is helping, but I don't know if that is also affecting the circulation of air on my plants. So if you are an experienced gardener, please let me know your suggestions in the comment box of what I can do to actually avoid this or to improve the situation. But they have suggested, or from my research I have seen a few suggestions which I might try. One suggestion was to put cinnamon, one suggestion was just to let air flow onto the into the soil. So I'm going to try and see what works, and I'll keep you updated. Alright, and I'll keep you very updated on this, and I'll share in this video a clear definition of algae so you know what it is, and also the disadvantages of having algae on your soil, so that we can both learn together. Alright, so if you haven't yet subscribed to the Newbie Food Gardener YouTube channel, kindly do, for more honest, real content like this. And also my channel is for new food gardeners like myself who are trying to grow their own food and vegetables at home. This is a learning experience for me, and I hope that you would love to follow me on the journey. Alright, thank you. See you in the next video.